Hello students, welcome back in a new session. So today we will discuss about advantage of tuple over the list. So tuple is right protected because of immutable nature. So immutable nature means the nature by which we cannot change any kind of value. So dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. Here keys are unique, that is keys cannot have duplicates and not allowed to change. So for example, we have dictionary D1 which contains a combination of key values, and this is what? This is key and this is value. So here 1122 is the key and Samsung mobile S7 model is the value. So immutable objects are allowed as keys in dictionary. So tuple is immutable objects. Means in the dictionary the key only belongs to the immutable objects. That object cannot be changed. It means the key cannot be changed. It is the unique value. It contains the unique value. So because of this reason, tuple is allowed as key in the dictionary. Okay, because key only used by the tuple. Now we see the difference between list and tuples. So here we have one list which contains the value 1122 and one tuple is here that contains also the same value. Now if we create one dictionary, so in dictionary if we use list here on the key value, key place, and this is the value of that key. So when we run this complete dictionary, then the error will be generated. So unhashable type list, because list is not allowed in the key place because its values is a changeable, mutable value objects it basically. So here we use T1. T1 is a tuple, and into the dictionary, so tuple is eligible as a key. Why? Because it is an immutable type of objects, so its value cannot be changed. And list is not eligible as a key because its value is changed. Now next one is using tuple as keys in dictionary and list as value in dictionary. So programmer can use tuple as keys in dictionary and list object as values into the dictionary. So how it can happen? Let's take an example of it. So here we have one tuple, that is tuple, and it is the list. These are the list values, and here I is initialized with 0, and mobile dictionary is the name of the dictionary which contains the empty tuple. Now the condition would be checked here. So while I is less than equals to 3, so mobile dictionary T1 of I equals to L1 of I. The condition would be checked here. Now I equals to I plus 1. Now print to display the message mobile ID or mobile name. Next print would print the star as a display below the mobile ID and mobile name. Now we use one loop here for I in mobile dictionary. It is the name of the dictionary, and print here I, that is I. Now mobile dictionary of I. So here we print the mobile dictionary. Now what the output will become? So output would become like this: mobile ID, mobile name. Here we have mobile ID 1122, 2233, 3344, 4455. So 122 mobile ID contains the name Samsung Galaxy M30, and second contains Sony mobile, third is this, and fourth one is this. I hope you got some valuable information from this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.